I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our BI 200 wraparound Velcro koozie.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our koozie. This is a wraparound koozie, so one side does have Velcro, and then it attaches to the other side for a secure, perfect beverage insulator for yourself. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we did print using our Sawgrass printers. And we're going to center the design and tape it on here using thermal tape. Okay, we are ready for pressing.
Perfect. Okay, we are going to be using our standard 6x20 press today. And I do have a silicone sheet down on our bottom platen to protect our bottom platen for any ink. You're going to place the image face down, and then I'm going to cover with a piece of silicone to protect our top platen. Today at 400 degrees for 30 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are done. We are going to remove immediately as a hot peel, and we do have our thermal gloves on hand as well for protection. We're going to remove in a nice, smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting, and we're just going to let it sit here and cool for a moment. Okay, so now that it has cooled, you have one personalized koozie. Anything to add in there, Meredith?
Yeah, if you like our artwork, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
And also don't forget to check out our product instructions as well as templates online at coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.